regular mom. I'm a cool mom. Ever since the Thank You Next music video, I literally cannot stop quoting Mean Girls, but honestly, I'm not even mad. That movie was so iconic. Anyways, what is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a little bit of a holiday-themed festivity, which is making a dress out of candy canes. You guys know I just love making dresses out of random things, so I figured in time for the holiday season, we would go ahead and do a Christmassy themed one. So today we're gonna go to the store, pick up some candy canes, and see what kind of fit we can make with, well, candy canes. So without further ado, here we go. Making a dress out of candy canes. Cool mom style, of course. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, honey, you're doing amazing, sweetie. Oh my god, I'm living for this. So, anyways, here we have our Regina George's mom inspired fit of the day. This is actually, okay, get this. This is literally the jumpsuit that Kris Jenner was wearing in the Thank You Next video. So obviously I had to get it. Forget Kylie and Kim as your style icons. We're rocking Kris this holiday season. Got my pink purse to match, and you can see the little gold J. Oh my god, 2007 me is absolutely living her best life today. You can see we got the velour booty popping and the whole, I just realized I am not wearing shoes. Oh, yes, mama, hello. Oh. Boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, boom. This is the best outfit I've ever seen. So you guys, what's the 411? Do you guys need any snacks or anything? Oh, you girls keep me so young. Yeah, I'm gonna milk this all day. Oh my god, side note, look at how beautiful the sky is. Everything is pink today. Even these flowers. You guys know I bought white flowers. Why are they turning pink? I don't know, but I'm into it. Alrighty, first stop on our suburban mom tour is Target. Woo! Alrighty, let's go. Alright, so I need to get some candy canes, though I don't actually know what section that would be in. Oh, here we go! Wow, so many. Oh my god, and they're only $1.77. Love that. Oh my goodness, there's some funky colored ones too. Oh my god, I could get these. This is my adopted child of the day, by the way. Don't judge her outfit. She picked it out. Can I have that? Sure. I love my friends. Ooh, we could get colored ones, but I think we're gonna go with the classics. I look like a math problem. Amber and Quinn have 7 boxes of candy canes. How many candy canes? Okay, math has never been my strong suit. Anyways, let's just buy these, because buying things, now that's my specialty. Oh, it is rush hour at Target right now. Oh my god, so busy. Woo! This lighting is whack, but we got the goods, and now time to craft. Alrighty, so now that we're home, are you ready to see our haul? Side note, oh my god, so beautiful. But anyways, okay, so basically we got 100 bajillion candy canes because, well, I mean, okay, they're fine. Because, well, of course we need candy canes. I also got this because, I don't know, I just wanted it. But for our other ingredients aside of the candy canes, ta-da! So here I have a plain white little corset thing that I'm going to use as one of the parts of the base for the dress. And then this thing. Ooh, you guys might remember this from my DIY wedding dress video, but this is a big like puffer skirt thing that we are actually going to use as the base for this dress. So, are you ready? Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's get started. I'm the fairy fashion godmother. Alrighty, so we're gonna get started here, of course, with our trusty E6000 glue. So we are going to go ahead and actually begin on the top part. So you can see it's just a little plain corset, and we're going to decorate it. So we're gonna take the mini candy canes that we got, and we're actually going to go ahead and place them in a little plastic baggie like so. And then we're gonna take a hammer. No, I'm actually not kidding. We are going to take a little mini hammer, and then we are just going to smash them into a million pieces. This is actually really fun. If you're stressed, it like, you know, releases some of it. So you can see it turns into kind of like a little chunky material. And then we're going to go ahead and take the glue, and we're just going to go ahead and kind of paint it all over the cups of the bralette thing. Then we're going to go ahead and pour the crushed candy canes all over with the glue. So again, it creates a super cool little textured pattern. So while we let that dry, we're actually going to go ahead and add to the boning of the corset with the candy canes. So we're just going to go ahead and glue those on kind of in any which pattern I so decide. You can see I kind of went a little ham here and just put them all over to create kind of a boning on the corset. In the center here, we're actually going to place a peppermint because I couldn't get a candy cane to fit there, and it goes with the vibe. So, you know, a little bit of cheating, but it's fine. It looks groovy. And then I just kept placing them all over the place until it kind of looked full. Oh yeah, looking nice. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the skirt. So first things first, we're gonna take the scissors and we are actually going to cut the skirt so it is short. So you can see here, I went ahead and cut it third little tier here. So you can see now it's a nice little mini skirt. And then for this, I went ahead and again put E6000 glue in straight lines. And then I glued candy canes right onto them, right next to each other, layering them up one by one until they basically covered the whole skirt. One room down, next room to go. How long did this take me? Entirely too long. I stayed up forever doing this. Not to mention it completely got glue all over my hands, which, you know, I mean, hey, my hands practically always look like this. So I'm always doing some sort of craft or another. But anyways, you can see the skirt is all covered in candy canes, and now the top is all covered in candy canes. So, dun da da da, it's time for the grand candy cane dress reveal. Boom, boom. Ta-da. So in the first time ever of the history of me making crafts, I actually didn't anticipate this. This candy cane skirt weighs so much. I literally have to hold it up or it falls down. Like even just for support, I had to add straps that connected to the skirt to pull it up a little bit. Huh. Overall, you can see we got the dress, we got the skirt. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So cute. You can see the top came out so cool, and even the bottom came out pretty cool. If you know, I could actually move. But there we go, voila! That is my candy cane dress that is literally falling off as I wear it. And I walked through the candy cane forests, and then her skirt fell off. I'm kind of hungry, maybe I'll just... Oh, actually no, there's E6000 glue on this. Safety first, kids. Oh, this is like a workout. This is the heaviest dress in the world. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, doing squats because this weighs a lot. Ooh, I love a rhyme. I mean, honestly, I knew this was an impractical DIY from the get-go, but now it's extra impractical. Thought I could at least dance around for the outro, but not really. Hello, it is Amber, the queen of the impractical ballet. All I want for Christmas. With the little candy cane, it's almost like the little Bo Peep, except really struggling. It's going! No! Could you imagine I show up to a Christmas party like this? Hi guys, what's up? When people say hello, I can't even shake their hand because I have to hold my skirt. This is a wardrobe malfunction waiting to happen. But hey, that's what keeps life interesting, isn't it? Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. I can't move my hips or my skirt'll fall off. Making a dress out of candy canes. 0 out of 10 would recommend, honestly, aside of the fact that my house smells awesome, like peppermint, and that's it. Nothing else was good about this. Like, it came out pretty cool, but honestly, it just is so impractical. There's like absolutely no reason to do this. Not to mention, like, I mean, most of my DIYs are pretty impractical when I make clothes, but this one really takes the cake. Or I guess the candy cane. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys so very much. I hope you enjoyed the festivities. Oh! I hope you guys have a magical holiday season and you pick outfits to wear to your Christmas parties that are a little bit better than this. But I hope you guys enjoyed the nonsense anyway. And I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for lots more ridiculous, truly, content. And I will see you soon, my lovebirds. Till next time, my sweet, beautiful, fabulous, candy cane, fashionable baby angels. My skirt is literally falling down. Baby angels. XO. Mwah. I can't even blow a kiss because I need to hold this, but XOXO. Mwah. The night before Christmas, and all through the house, nothing was stirring, not even a mouse. But a mistress named Amber was sitting on the floor, as her candy cane dress weighed way too much more than she thought it was going to weigh. Honestly, an iconic poet. Hemingway who?